Good morning, students. I have already discussed in my previous video lecture the detailed classification of haloalkanes and haloarenes, that how they are classified on the basis of the number of halogen present and on the basis of the type of hybridization of carbon with which the halogen atom is attached. Now in this video lecture I am going to discuss the nomenclature of haloalkanes and haloarenes. Dear student, you have already studied the detailed nomenclature of organic compound, whether they are haloalkane, haloarene, alcohol, ether or carboxylic acid, etc., in your class 11. But in class 12, we have to separately discuss the nomenclature of organic compounds, particularly those organic compounds which we have to study separately in class 12. कहने का मतलब जो क्लास 12 में आप जो ग्रुप ऑफ कंपाउंड्स पढ़ोगे लाइक haloalkane, haloarene, alcohol, ether, carboxylic acid, amine, aldehyde and ketone, उनका भी नॉमेनक्लेचर अलग से हम लोगों को पढ़ना है. So let us start the nomenclature of haloalkanes and haloarenes. As you know, the nomenclature is of two types. One is your common system of nomenclature, or simply called your trivial system of nomenclature, while the another is your IUPAC system. Now separately I will discuss the nomenclature of haloalkane first of all, and then followed by your nomenclature of haloarenes. For haloalkane, the common name is your alkyl halide. For haloalkane, the common name is your alkyl halide, means the alkyl is your prefix and halide is your suffix. For example, if we write the simplest alkyl halide, इससे छोटा alkyl halide possible नहीं, because the general formula is CnH2n plus 1x. ये x क्या है आपका? x is your halogen, that is maybe fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine. So the general name or the common name is your alkyl halide, but in IUPAC it is written as haloalkane. So actually halo is your prefix while alkane is your suffix. So for example, if we have CH3Cl, then the trivial name or the common name is your methyl chloride. मिथाइल किसके लिए है? तो मिथाइल है CH3 के लिए. For CH3 we have methyl and this is chlorine, so it is your methyl chloride. Now in IUPAC, haloalkane, halogen is chlorine, so the name is your chloromethane. Methane because the number of carbon atom is only one. That's why it is your chloromethane. Now for example, Suppose if we write CH3, CH2 and say Br. Now the common name is ethyl and then the halogen is bromine, so it is your ethyl bromide. But the IUPAC name, that is haloalkane. Halo हमारा क्या है? Prefix है. And here the halogen is bromine, so the IUPAC name is your bromoethane. Ethane because the number of carbon is 2. So it is your bromoethane. Now if we have higher alkyl halide. Higher alkyl halide means alkyl halide having 3 or more than 3 carbon. Let us suppose if we write this type of compound CH3, CH2, CH2Br. It is called your propyl bromide. The common name is your propyl bromide. Now this propyl bromide can also be written as CH3, CHBr and CH3. Now what happens? The IUPAC name of these two compounds will differ. इनके IUPAC नेम क्या होंगे? डिफरेंट हो जाएंगे. So in case of your higher alkyl halide, we have to see the position of halogen. That the position of halogen should be at lowest carbon. आप इसको क्लास 11th में डिटेल पढ़ चुके हैं कि halogen should be placed at lowest carbon. So this compound, this is your 1-bromopropane. The first one is your 1-bromopropane, while the second one is your 2-bromopropane. 2-bromopropane. Similarly, if we consider their common name, ये तो इनके IUPAC नेम हो गए 1-bromopropane and 2-bromopropane. If we write the common name, then the common name is your, for first compound it is N-propyl bromide, N for normal. So the first one is your normal propyl bromide, while second one is your sec-propyl or isopropyl bromide. It is your sec-propyl bromide. Now, if there is any double bond or triple bond, you can say that is multiple bond. If there is any double bond or triple bond, that is multiple bond present in the chain. For example, if we write CH3, CH, double bond CH, say CH2, CH2 and Br. Now there is halogen atom, the halogen is bromine, and there is double bond. So if in your alkyl halide any multiple bond is present, कहने का मतलब अगर alkyl halide में कोई multiple bond है, multiple bond मतलब double bond या triple bond है, in that case priority should be given to the multiple bond and not to the halogen. इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि आप इस तरह से नंबरिंग करो कि मल्टीपल बॉन्ड लोएस्ट पोजीशन पे आए, ना कि हाइड्रोजन एटम. In that case we have to count from this side. So it will 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So the name of this compound is your 5-bromo, 5 carbon. So it is pentene, 5-bromo Then we have pent-2ene. Why it is pent-2ene? ये आप समझ गए होंगे, because the double bond is in between carbon number 2 and carbon number 3. Now let us suppose if we have a compound like this, CH3CH double bond CH and then CH2Br. एक कार्बन आप डाउन कर दीजिए. Now what happens? Again there is a multiple bond, that is double bond. Now according to rule, priority in nomenclature must be given to multiple bond. जैसा हमने कहा कि मल्टीपल बॉन्ड लोएस्ट कार्बन पे आना है, तो उस हिसाब से if we count from this side the multiple bond between second and third carbon, but if we count from this side again the multiple bond between second and third carbon, means from either of this side the multiple bond is in between second and third. Then what I have to do? Then naturally priority should be given to this halogen. क्योंकि अगर दोनों साइड से करने पर मल्टीपल बॉन्ड इक्विवेलेंट पोजीशन पे आ रहा है, वैसे केस में आप कंसीडर हैलोजन को करेंगे. एंड नेचुरली द नंबरिंग शुड बी फ्रॉम दिस साइड एंड देन इट इज योर 1 ब्रोमो, देन इट इज योर 1 ब्रोमो ब्यूट 2E. बिकॉज इफ यू राइट फ्रॉम दिस साइड, अगर आप इधर से लिखते तब क्या नाम होता? इट इज 1 2 3 4, देन द नेम शुड बी 4 ब्रोमो ब्यूट 2E. सो फॉर योर इंफॉर्मेशन 4 ब्रोमो ब्यूट 2E इज रॉन्ग, हाउएवर 1 ब्रोमो ब्यूट 2E इज करेक्ट. Now let us suppose if we write a compound like CHCl3. सपोज करिए किसी ने आपको दे दिया कि राइट द IUPAC नेम ऑफ दिस कंपाउंड. आप यूजुअली देखोगे जब भी कोई इस कंपाउंड को आपको पूछेगा, देन वी यूजुअली राइट ओके दिस इज योर क्लोरोफॉर्म. बट डू यू थिंक दिस क्लोरोफॉर्म इज ए IUPAC नेम? नो. क्या आप कह सकते हो कि क्लोरोफॉर्म IUPAC नेम है? द आंसर इज नो. तो जब ये क्लोरोफॉर्म IUPAC नेम नहीं है, इट मींस ये ट्रिवियल नेम है, कॉमन नेम है. बिकॉज द IUPAC नेम इज योर हैलोअल्केन. नाउ हैलो मींस हैलोजन. योर हैलोजन इज क्लोरीन, सो इट इज क्लोरो. बट द नंबर ऑफ क्लोरीन इज 2, सो द नेम इज योर trichloromethane. It is your trichloromethane. Why methane? Because the number of carbon is 1. So chloroform is your common name. However, trichloromethane is the IUPAC name. Similarly, if we have a compound like CCl4. Now you know CCl4 is your carbon tetrachloride. But this carbon tetrachloride is your common name. ठीक है, इसका नाम कार्बन टेट्राक्लोराइड है, मैं मानता हूं. बट दिस इज योर ट्रिवियल नेम, दिस इज नॉट द IUPAC नेम. देन व्हाट इज द IUPAC नेम? योर IUPAC नेम इज हैलोअल्केन. व्हाट इज हैलोजन? हैलोजन मींस क्लोरीन, सो इट इज क्लोरो. नाउ व्हाट इज द नंबर ऑफ क्लोरीन? 4. सो द करेक्ट IUPAC नेम इज योर tetrachloromethane. Methane because the number of carbon is 1. Now as you know, if the number of halogen is 2, it will be dihalo. Number of halogen is 3, it will be trihalo. For example, if we write CH2Cl and CH2Cl, देन व्हाट विल बी द IUPAC? यहां दो हेलोजन है, ये डाइहेलाइड है। द ट्रिवियल नेम इज इथिलीन डाइक्लोराइड। भाई इथिलीन क्यों? CH2 इथिलीन होता है, दो क्लोरीन लग गया, इथिलीन डाइ, ठीक है। बट व्हाट इज द IUPAC नेम? द IUPAC नेम इज योर 1,2,1,2 dichloroethane. It is your 1,2 dichloroethane. But if we write CH3CH and then Cl and this is Cl. Now you observe in this case both the halogen. आप देखिए इस केस में दोनों हैलोजन सेम कार्बन पे है। So this dihalide, you know, it is your vicinal dihalide. I have already discussed in my earlier video lecture. जब हम क्लासिफिकेशन करा रहे थे तो हमने उसमें विसिनल और जेमिनल के बारे, सॉरी दिस इज नॉट विसिनल, सॉरी दिस इज योर जेमिनल डाइहेलाइड। सो दिस इज योर जेमिनल डाइहेलाइड। नाउ व्हाट इज द IUPAC नेम? अब आप इसको 1 मानिए, इसको 2 मानिए। इट इज 1,1 dichloroethane. So 1,1 dichloroethane is your geminal dihalide. However, it is your vicinal dihalide, because in case of vicinal, both halogens are present on adjacent carbon. Now let us consider some of the examples of your NCERT textbook. For example, if we have compound like CH3O3CBr. So first of all we have to write this compound. इसको पहले ब्रेक करके लिखना होगा. How we can write? This is carbon, CH3, 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 and this is your bromine. As you know, select the longest possible chain of carbon. 1 2 1 2 3. तो ये हमारा चेन हो गया. This is your chain. So the chain is of 3 carbon. 3 carbon chain. Now from either side, चाहे आप ऊपर से गिनती करिए या नीचे से, दोनों ही हालात में आप देखेंगे कि your bromine is on second carbon. So the correct name is your 2-bromo. Then we have 2-methyl propane. It is your 2-bromo 2-methyl propane. Now in common nomenclature, this is called your tertiary butyl bromide. It is your tertiary butyl bromide. I hope you have idea of tertiary, secondary and primary. Similarly, let us suppose we have a compound like CH2 double bond CHCl. Say this is your compound. फिर इसका नाम क्या होगा? IUPAC. डबल बॉन्ड कहीं से चाहिए on equivalent position, so naturally from this side it is 1 2. Now it is 1-chloroethene. So what is the IUPAC name? It is your 1-chloroethene, or simply we can write chloroethene. आप चाहें तो केवल क्लोरोइथीन भी लिख सकते हैं. Why? Because if this chlorine is present on this carbon, suppose करिए ये CH2 रहता, ये CH रहता, तब भी आप इसको क्लोरोइथीन ही लिखते. So whether you write 1-chloroethene or chloroethene, both have the same meaning. However, the trivial name is your vinyl chloride. You know what is vinyl group? The trivial name is your vinyl chloride. Similarly, if we write CH2 double bond CH, CH2Br, say this group is allyl. आप पढ़ चुके हैं ऑलरेडी. ये क्या कहलाता है? allyl. So it is allyl bromide. But this allyl bromide is not IUPAC name, it is your trivial name. ये allyl bromide सही है मगर ये trivial name है. तो IUPAC क्या होगा? Naturally from this side, क्योंकि इधर से अगर आप काउंट करोगे तो डबल बॉन्ड इज बिटवीन सेकेंड एंड थर्ड कार्बन. बट इफ यू काउंट फ्रॉम दिस साइड, डबल बॉन्ड बिटवीन फर्स्ट एंड सेकेंड कार्बन. So it is your 3 bromo prop 1ene. It is your 3 bromo prop 1ene. In trivial it is known as your allyl bromide, or simply it is called 3 bromo propene. You may write 3 bromo prop 1ene or you may write 3 bromo propene, because we cannot write. कहता है क्यों हम prop 1ene यहाँ कोई जरूरी नहीं, because we cannot write 3 bromo prop 2ene. अगर इस ब्रोमीन को उठा करके इधर करिए और ये डबल बॉन्ड को यहाँ करिए तब भी वो 1ene ही होगा. So this is your nomenclature of haloalkane. Now in next video I will discuss the nomenclature of haloarine. Thank you.